Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do a little short video on door hinge repair. So how many of you have found your door hinges are coming out? Let's show you what's going on so you can see it. Okay, so you see how the hinge is starting to pull out? It's because the screws they use are really short, and a lot of the this door jamb is not solid wood anymore. It's a compressed paper. So I'm going to show you how to fix that, and it'll just take maybe 5 minutes with a kit that you buy at Home Depot. Let's head back over here so I can show you the kit, and I'll leave you a link. There we go. So here's the kit right here. And it contains 3 2.5-inch screws and a whole bunch of smaller screws, but these screws are longer than the original screws. So we're just going to take one screw at a time on the 3 hinges, and that way we can get at least one 2.5-inch screw in, and then we'll replace the rest of them with some longer screws. So let's go do this real quick. Alright, so I'm going to take the first one out. As you can see, it falls out. And you see how short these screws are. So I'm going to take this 2.5-inch screw on the center one. Okay, and then I'm going to replace the other two with some of these smaller screws. Again, these are longer than the original screw. And they just come right out. So you can see the difference in size. We'll go ahead and get these replaced. Then we're going to do the same thing with the other 2 hinges. Yep. Use the wrong screw. Make sure we're using the right ones this time. And you don't need to reef down on this because you'll adjust the jamb if you do, and you don't want to do that. So all you're doing is replacing the screws, and that's it. Okay, and that's how easy that is. Again, you can buy those screw kits down at Home Depot, and I'll leave you a link so that you can find them. They're in the section where all of the hinges are, and you'll find them usually above the hinges in some smaller bins. Alright, well that's it for this video. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit if you're having problems with your doors. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Have a great day.